All right, so as you can tell today, we installed a ARB air compressor. I did make this mount custom, but I wanted to kind of show you guys what options might be available for you to make. I just used a small piece of aluminum and was able to kind of bend it. What we did was we ended up taking off this part up here, sliding it in, just drilled the holes, put it down, put a little bit of a degree angle, and it's holding it in place very nicely. It's hard to see kind of up underneath it. I'm going to try. It fits in there. I was able to cut out the switch size, and I did have to purchase this as a different one, as I got the one with the screw on the back. It's hard to kind of tell, but it comes up right on the back side, if I can get it in there. And then I purchased the relocation kit for the breather, and I pulled that little plastic piece forward, the little trim part up here, pulled that out, and we put 2 screws, nuts and bolts on the back side to hold that in place, and just followed it down. Got the compressor down below there. It's hard to see. I went with the Way of Life mount that he had. And overall, I can show you what our setup was on price. I ordered pretty much all the pieces separate to get into it. And I did do the wiring a little bit different. When I brought the wire across, instead of having the light come on and stay on with the vehicle, I have it just when you turn the switch on, both of them light up. There you go, it's at pressure already. So that was my setup. I also cut out all the extra wiring for the lockers and all that stuff and just wired it in. But if you're not familiar with wiring, I wouldn't suggest it. And if you are familiar with wiring, it's very easy to follow that diagram as far as what wires are doing what and going forth with that with the relay. If you have any questions, let me know. And this was our setup.